Hello, this is Drew Bromo. We are right now chasing the really violent storm up ahead. It's hitting Hudsonville right now. We're chasing this storm right here. As you can see right here, I have my dad driving up here. We have some very dark green clouds. That's a very bad sign. Wind speeds are been estimated up to 80 to 85 miles per hour. This will be one very nasty storm. I would be very surprised if we don't see any damage, but besides that, it's been pretty bad. This threat's gonna be going on all day. So, as you can tell, these clouds are actually almost in a way are rotating, not as of a tornado, but as of a really strong storm. So, we're gonna continue just to be chasing this storm and be chasing basically all day until 6 o'clock, until it finally starts dying down. But this is a very intense storm. So we're heading right toward it right now. So we're gonna get some very heavy downpours really soon. So tell we're starting, and here comes the rain. Yeah, that's fine. All right. Right now we're on Fillmore right now. We're trying to see if we can find some nice open area fields so we can have a nice view of some sweet lightning and stuff. But as you can tell, the rain has really just started to become, there's some lightning above us right now. I can't really show you because of the trees, but otherwise besides that, it's pretty intense right now. Like I said, we're on Fillmore right now, and we're going to be heading right where the dog park is, and it's really raining now. We cannot see anything right now. And oh shoot, we're getting some leaves. Okay, never mind. Traffic has slowed down a lot. You can tell the wind is really bad right now.
Branches?
Yeah, branches are falling down right now. We literally cannot see anything right now. Very heavy winds can be with a possible storm, and it's not safe for us at all right here. Trees are everywhere around us, so hopefully no tree falls in my car. Oh, we have branches everywhere. Oh. As I can tell, chasing this storm right here as of now, and yeah, it's getting pretty bad. Yeah, we cannot see anything right now.
Is that a siren?
Is it? My dad thinks we might be hearing a siren. I don't know if that's true. I don't think we hear a siren, but... And here's a side lookout. And as you can tell, the water is just rushing down right now. And we are getting hail right now. We just got some light pellets. I don't know if we're still getting hail, but we were just a second ago. As you can tell, the trees are swaying like nuts. I mean, we cannot see anything. We had to pull to the side of the road. Oh boy. We're getting a couple pieces of hail. I would say pea-sized hail. Yeah, we're getting pea-sized hail right now. Oh my. Yeah, we're getting hail right now. It's not really hard, but we are getting some. As you can tell, flash flooding is happening right now. things are starting to clear up a little bit more, so we're gonna slowly get back to the road, hopefully. It is indeed very intense. Wind speeds are probably up to 40-50 miles per hour. So far we haven't seen any major trees that have been down. There's been a lot of branches that have been down because of the heavy rain and hail, but otherwise nothing too significant yet. Oh, we got some branches down right here, right to our left. Biggest ones we've seen yet.
That's nice.
Yep. The rain has calmed down a little bit, so we've been able to see a little bit more. We've been just getting hit by rain. I think the worst of it is now done. A lot of water sitting around. It's pretty bad. Turn left up here. Yeah, or turn right, it's fine. A lot of water is laying on the ground right now. Thankfully this car is spraying it all out of the way for us, so. Oh, then there's a garbage can laying in the middle of the road. The rain has tampered down a little bit, so we're now we're getting close to Lake Michigan Drive, and we're hoping to see if we can either chase the storm or wait for the next one. Until then, I'm ending this live video. Hope to see you guys soon. Thanks, bye.